Is it the right time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? Welcome to this in-depth analysis of Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, November 14, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing, liking this video, and turning on the notification bell. Missing any crucial updates that could impact your investments would be a shame. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 24, 2023, our system has ranked Microsoft as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 6.25. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 12.02% since we first listed Microsoft as a buy candidate 16 days ago. That's an average return of 0.75% per day since it was identified as a strong buy candidate. The stock has recently broken the weak rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of rising. If there is any pullback, there will now be support at $359.61, which was the previous trend line. This could provide a second opportunity for a profitable trade. According to fan theory, the next potential resistance level is $390.06, which may not be broken on the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 9.48% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -2.68% and 6.32%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 44.55% change over the next year, with a potential return between 28.47% and 56.55%. This suggests a price range of $475.69 to $579.65 after 12 months. Our latest update on Microsoft brings exciting news: stronger technical forecast for Microsoft stock price after Tuesday trading. On Tuesday, November 14, 2023, the Microsoft stock price showed a positive trend, increasing by 0.98% from $366.68 to $370.27. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 1.25%, starting at a low of $367.35 and reaching a high of $371.95. This marks the 8th day of price increase in the last 10 days, with a total rise of 9.51% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also increased, indicating a positive outlook. A total of 7 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, resulting in a total trading volume of 26 million shares valued at approximately $9.68 billion. Looking at the bigger picture, the stock's highest price in the last 52 weeks was $371.95, while the lowest was $219.35. Currently, the price is 0.45% below the 52-week high, standing at $1.68 lower than $371.95, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Analyst ratings for Microsoft MSFT. In the latest market updates, I want to highlight some recent analyst ratings for Microsoft. These ratings provide insights into how experts view the company's performance and prospects. On Monday, November 6, 2023, Bernstein gave Microsoft a buy grade with a hold action. This indicates that they recommend buying the stock but suggest holding it for now. Moving on to Wednesday, October 25, 2023, HSBC also gave Microsoft a buy grade, but with an upgrade action. This suggests that they believe the stock has potential for growth and recommend upgrading your position. Another rating on the same day, October 25, 2023, came from Wedbush. They gave Microsoft an outperform grade, but with a hold action. This implies that they expect the stock to perform better than the market average but recommend holding it for now. Additionally, on the same day, Bernstein gave Microsoft another rating of outperform with a hold action. This reaffirms their positive view of the stock's performance and suggests holding onto it for now. Lastly, on Tuesday, October 24, 2023, Jefferies gave Microsoft a buy grade with a hold action. This indicates their recommendation to buy the stock but suggests holding it for now. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a strong buy rating. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a more neutral rating. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Microsoft. We have mostly positive signals in the chart. The Microsoft stock is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is support from the lines at $363.94 and $336.39. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Tuesday, September 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 18.62%. This suggests that there could be further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is also rising along with the price, which is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a buy signal. The pivots indicator has a buy signal that occurred 36 days ago. The Bollinger indicator has a buy signal that occurred 3 days ago. The short-term moving average has a buy signal that occurred 13 days ago. The long-term moving average has a buy signal that occurred 29 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages had a buy signal 25 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the following indicators. The short moving average has a buy signal 29 days ago. The long-term moving average has a buy signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages had a buy signal 10 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. When it comes to the downside, the stock has some key support levels to keep in mind. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $340.67 and $330.22. Support levels are important because if they are broken, it could signify a potential fall to the next support level. In this case, Microsoft finds support just below today's level at $340.67. If this support is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $330.22 and $327.89. As for the risk involved, it's important to note that this stock has average movements during the day in good trading volume. Therefore, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the last day, the stock moved $4.60 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 1.25%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.32%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's first go over some crucial fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is essential as it measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Microsoft's PE ratio falls within a normal range, which is typically observed in well-established businesses with predictable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.74. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Microsoft. When it comes to resistance, there's no significant barrier from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you decide to enter a position, keep a close eye on the volume indicators to determine the best time to exit. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $340.67. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock price. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is a strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 1, 2023, Nadella Satya sold 1,162 shares of common stock. On October 16, 2023, Hoya Alice L. sold 177,075 shares of common stock. On September 18, 2023, young Christopher David bought 11,442 shares of common stock. On September 18, 2023, Smith Bradford L. bought 23,646 shares of common stock. On September 18, 2023, Hood Amy bought 26,697 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is positive with a ratio of 10.312. Overall, insiders purchased 397,483 shares and sold 336,702 shares in the last 100 trades. Based on our analysis, we recommend setting the stop loss at $357.09, which is a decrease of 3.56% from the current price. This stock exhibits moderate daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Furthermore, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 35 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Microsoft is showing several positive signals and has recently broken out of a weak upward trend. With the stock also in great technical shape, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels. We anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, November 15th, we expect Microsoft to open lower by $0.415, starting at $369.86. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's important to remember that trading involves a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for investment advice. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Feel free to comment below and share your opinions. What price target do you have in mind? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.